a video for you. And I want you to listen to where this little girl has said to her mother. Listen to what her mother say. Her mother attacked to her brother. But listen to what she has said to the mother. And take heed, parents. You no believe. Say you no kid now watching you. Them are watching you. Stop them. Listen.
To pay the light bills. I am struggling, y'all. I'm a single mother doing this all by myself, providing for y'all and taking care of y'all, and I need help. I asked you for the birthday money and you said no. So that's why I'm taking the PS5 back so I can get a refund so I can have the money to pay the light bill.
How you just gonna take my PS5 that I asked for on Christmas? You only spent $500 on it, now you trying to take it back.
Okay, and that $500 I can use to pay the bills. I wouldn't come to you and ask you if I didn't need your help, but I need your help. And you can't play the game anyway if we don't have no lights.
And you can't have my birthday money either, because people cashed out that to me.
Okay, but we need lights.
Why you going out so much? I'm tired of you going out. You need to spend time with us, and you need to spend money on your bills.
Leilani, I'm not even talking to you. So you stay in a child's place.
Now you said stay in a child's place, but you asking my brother to pay your bills. And just like Lay said, you need to start spending money on us and stop going spending money on yourself and your little.
You hear that? It's just a warning to each and every parent out there. Whether you're a single mother or you are the kids, them are watching you. Get up and go a club. Get up and go out. You can do everything else. We have to do with money. Yeah, but at the little boy things you want to sell just to pay a bill and you are go out. You see what I'm talking about? Kids smart. Take heed.